Okay, next, the cross product. Okay, the vector product. Okay, how to calculate the cross product is by using determinants. Okay, by using determinants. Okay, let's say we have a vector A. We have a vector A, A1, A2, A3, and vector B. You nampak tak? Vector B is B1, B2, B3. Okay, so the cross product, okay, it should be vector A cross vector B. Ni bukan simpul darab dia cross. Okay, cross product. Okay, dia bukan darab. Okay, kalau darab macam ni, vector A dot vector B. Ni konsep darab. Kalau yang ni konsep cross product, that means you have to use determinants. Okay, so the formula dia, okay, using determinants, that means for vector A, okay, for vector A, A1, A2, A3 ni, okay, duduk pada second row. This is second row. Duduk pada second row. Pada second row, that means A1, A2, A3. Okay, this is first row. Second row, and the third row is for vector B. This is for vector B, the third row. Okay, so B1, B2, B3. First row apa dia? First row ni adalah dia punya position vector dia. Okay, position vector. Kan ada A1I, A2J, and then A3K. Dia punya position vector dia, I, J, K ni kan. So, for the first row, you put I, J, K. Dia punya position vector dia. Okay, this is for two vectors. Okay, doing the cross product for two vectors, vectors A and vector B. Okay, so look at example 4. Example 4 tu, dia bagi vector, find vector A cross vector B. Okay, dia bagi vector dia. Vector A is 3, 2, -1. And then vector B is -2, 4, 1. Okay, so boleh nampak tak? Alright, and then find vector A cross vector B by using determinant. So the first row must be I, J, K, and then the second row must be vector A first. 3, 2, -1. 3, 2, -1. And then the last row should be vector B. -2, 4, 1. -2, 4, 1. Okay, and then calculate using determinant. Macam mana using determinant? Okay, macam yang dalam chapter 1 tu. Okay, first we take the position vector for I. Okay, position vector for I. Okay, you know that yang saya ada ajar positif, negatif, positif, and then bila sini dah positif, it should be sini negative here. Okay, so untuk the first row saja. Okay, saya dah ajarkan positif, negatif, positif ni sebab apa. Okay, so for position vector for I, kita nak cari determinant for position vector for I ni, we have to eliminate the row and the column. Okay, eliminate the row and the column. So apa yang tinggal kat sini? 2, 4, -1. Okay, so for I, 2, -1, 4, 1. Okay, and then for position vector for J, bila ada negatif, so put it negative. And then kita nak cari determinant for position vector for J ni, element for J. So you have to eliminate the row and the column. The row for in the element kat J ni, okay, and the column. So apa yang tinggal? 3, -1, -2, 1. So 3, -1, -2, 1. And then the last one, positive K. Okay, positive K, that means you have to eliminate the row and the column at the element for K. The row and the column at the element of K. So, apa yang tinggal? 3, 2, negative 2, 4. So, 3, 2, negative 2, 4. Okay. And then, buat apa? Okay, kalau awak ingat lagi, kalau kita nak cari determinant for A, B, C, D. How to calculate determinant dia untuk matrix. So, awak akan dapat A times D minus B times C, right? So, sama juga konsep macam ni. Okay, konsep cross product ni sama juga. 2 times 1, you get 2. Minus negative 1 times 4, you get negative 4. This is for I. Sorry, I. Okay, and then minus for J pula, 3 times 1, you get 3. Minus dengan negative 2 times 1. Negative 2 times negative 1. Negative should be positive. So, you get 2. This is for J. And then for K, positive. Okay, 3 times 4, you get 12. Minus 2 times negative 2, you get negative 4. Then, put it element for K. Alright, and then calculate. Negative, negative, positive. So, 2 plus 4, you get 6I. Okay. And then 3 minus 2, you get 1. Sebab ada negative, so minus J. Minus 1J actually. But, put it for J also, same meaning lah. The value is 1 also, negative 1. Okay. And then negative, negative should be positive. So, 12 plus 4, you get 16. So, plus 16K. So, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for vector A cross vector B. Okay, example 14. So, look at example 15. Example 15 tu, calculate. Okay, kalau tengok pada soalan example 15. Okay, boleh nampak lah. Calculate vector A cross vector B. Given that, okay, dia dah bagi vector A and vector B. So, vector A is I minus J. Okay. And vector B is I plus K. So, vector A cross vector B. First row apa dia? I, J, K. Dia punya position vector dia. And then second row kat sini must put it for vector A. Okay, I is kat sini value dia 1 lah. 1, negative 1. Value for Z tak ada, so we put 0. Okay, and then for vector B, put it in the third row. Okay, 1. J tak ada kan, value for Y tak ada, so we put 0. And then for value of K is 1. Okay, and then do a cross product using determinants. Okay, using determinant. So this is positive, negative, positive. So for I, kita nak cari determinant for element I by eliminate the row and the column. So apa yang tinggal? Negative 1, 0, 0, 1. So for I, negative 1, 0, 0, 1. And then for J is negative here. Okay, eliminate the row and the column for element J. Apa yang tinggal kat situ? 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Plus, for element K, eliminate the row and the column at the element K. So apa yang tinggal? 1, negative 1, 1, 0. 1, negative 1, 1, 0. Okay, and then calculate. Okay, using A times B minus A times D minus B times C. Okay, so negative 1 times 1, we get negative 1. minus 0 times 0, you get 0 lah. Okay, this is for I. For J, put it negative here first. And then 1 times 1, we get 1. Minus 0 times 1, we get 0. This is for J. And then plus, okay, 1 times 0, you get 0. Minus negative 1 times 1, you get negative 1. This is for K. Okay. And then calculate. Negative 1 minus 0, so tinggal negative I. Okay, sama saja value dia, negative 1. Okay, and then 1 minus 0, 1. So, sini ada negative, so should be negative J. Okay, and then negative, positive. So, yang tinggal adalah positive K. So, this is the answer. Alright, boleh faham dah konsep cross product using determinants. Okay, for two vectors.